Come test drive the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power sunroof, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, compass, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.